Good book. Good tea. Good flight. I love flying. The clouds look like snow from here. Excuse me, can I have more water, please? Of course. Are you enjoying your flight? That man in row 14, he does not look well.
Excuse me, my husband, he is not feeling well.
I am coming. Stay calm. Stay calm. I am coming. Sir, can you hear me? Sir? He said he felt dizzy. Then he just stopped.
Thank you. I'm okay.
Excuse me, everyone. Is there a doctor on board? Please press your call button if you have medical training. I took first aid 2 years ago. 2 years ago. I remember. I can help. I have first aid training. You have first aid training? Yes. 2 years ago. I will help until a doctor comes. I will help until a doctor comes. He is breathing. His pulse is there. Good, good. What else? Tell me what you need. Does he have any medical conditions? Any medicines?
He has high blood pressure. His medicine is in his bag.
Sir, my name is Sophia. You are safe. We are helping you. You are on a plane. You are safe. Help is here. We are all here to help you.
Thank you so very much.
You are on a plane. You are safe. Help is here.
Thank you so much.
Bless you for helping him. You are doing wonderfully. Just focus on taking nice, slow breaths. I'm right here with you.
I am a doctor. What have you found?
Breathing and pulse present. High blood pressure. His medicine is here.
Good work. You did exactly right. Keep talking to him.
Sir, you are getting better. You are getting better. Can you hear me now? He is responding. His eyes are opening.
Good. Hassan, can you hear me?
He needs a hospital. The captain should know.
I will contact the captain now. Stay with him.
Is he going to be okay?
Yes, he is responding. The doctor is with him.
Thank you. You stood up when nobody else did.
Anyone would do the same.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are diverting for a medical situation. We will land in approximately 20 minutes. Please stay seated. Yasmin, where are we?
On the plane. You are okay. You are okay.
My name is Sophia. You felt unwell. We are landing soon.
I understand. Thank you.
Please fasten your seatbelts. We are landing soon. Yasmin, please fasten your belt. I will stay with you.
Who helped me? Was it you?
Yes.
Yes, I took a first aid course 2 years ago.
You checked my breathing.
And my pulse?
I felt it.
Yes, that is what first aid teaches, the basics. Ladies and gentlemen, we have landed safely. We are here, safe.
Good afternoon. We are here to help.
Who was first with the patient? This passenger, Sophia. She did excellent first aid. Breathing present throughout, pulse steady, high blood pressure. His medicine is here. He became conscious 20 minutes ago. I am here. Right here with you, Hassan.
I know. I can see you. I am okay.
You were very calm. That helped everyone. I was scared, but I knew what to do, so I did it. I was scared, but I did it. I did it. That is exactly what courage is. Scared, but doing it. I came back. I needed to say thank you properly. How is he? Is he okay? He is okay. Talking to the doctors. Fine. Fine. I am so glad he is okay. He wants to thank you himself. He is a doctor. A cardiologist. He is a doctor? A doctor needed help. I was the one. Yes, and he will never forget that. Neither will I.
Sophia, Yasmin told me your name.
Dr. Hassan, I am very glad you are okay.
You checked my breathing, my pulse. You talked to me. As a doctor, you did everything correctly.
Thank you. I just did what anyone would do.
No, not anyone.
You. You stood up. I have your name, Sophia. I will not forget it. Take care of him. Safe onward journey. Everyone here, they do not know what just happened.
Hi. I need to tell you something. Something happened on my flight.
A man collapsed. Nobody moved. So I stood up. He was a doctor himself. I did not know that. I almost did not take that course. I am glad I did. I wanted to check on you. Are you okay? Yes, a little shaky now. It is strange. That is normal. During the emergency, you were strong. After, your body remembers it was scared. That is okay. I learned something today. About myself. What did you learn? When nobody moves, you can be the one who moves. Comment below. Would you know what to do in an emergency? Subscribe for more slow English stories. Every week,